Hi everyone, this is Dexter Chia. This video going to show you how you should do with the KLSE screener. Alright, KLSE screener. This is a software you must install in your phone. Alright, if you are new investor, this video is very helpful for you. Alright, after download the apps KLSE screener, you can open it. Alright, this is the format. Okay, this is Android version. Alright, Android version, yeah. So basically you need to understand that you can search any company, any listed company in Malaysia here. Alright, let's say everyone know like Nestle. Okay, you can just type the keyword. Alright, so you can see Nestle and Nestle CF, all related to Nestle. KLSE screener will show here. Alright, if you click on the Nestle, right, this is the mother shares Nestle. Okay, mother shares. So let's say you see something like CF. This is actually a call warrant. Okay, it's a call warrant. This instrument is quite high risk. It's so-called high risk instrument. All right, if you are beginner, you are not advised to you are recommends to study the mother share first. All right, because call warrant usually is for advanced person, advanced investor. All right, so if you see, right, based on this screen, all right, over here is a Nestle. This is a company, the stock name. Beside here 4707 is a stock code of the Nestle. So 139.2 is a stock price in ringgits. Okay, in ringgits. So if you see red color, right, this it means that is going down, right? So if you, let's say if you see a green color, means it's going up. All right, please be reminded that the price here, all right, the price here is delay about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, it's delay about 10 to 15 minutes. So if you want to see the live price, right, you have to open your trading account. Okay, let's say if you want to open M Plus account, you can contact me. All right, so based on here, right, you can see, okay, I was trying to tell you that what is the important things. Okay, first is the price. Okay, and then okay, this part, right, high low bid and ask, actually not so important because everything is delayed here. All right, but this app is useful because you can see the historical charts based on 1 day, 30 days, 3 months. Yeah, you can simply explore it here. Okay, so you also can see the company earning per share, let's say EPS, earning per share, and then PE, ROE, DY, and so on. All right, this here also show you that the company total issues of the shares is about 234 million shares. Okay, so below here, right, this is all about the news. Okay, the news published at newspaper or some Singchiu, like you can see like the newspaper name, the Edge, Singchiu, the Star. Okay, every news published here. All right, so if you see announcement, this one is a company announcement. Okay, you can see all the announcement here. All of this is published at Bursa Malaysia website. Okay, this app simplify everything. Okay, So let's say if you want to see the Nestle report, you can click on reports. Okay, so you can see every details, every earnings or losses here. Okay, so if you click on, let's say you click on the latest one, this one is about 2020 June 30. Okay, so you can see, you can click inside and then you can see everything, the reports here. Okay, this all the data is grabbing from Bursa Malaysia. All right, so everything here is I mean the info is the same with Bursa Malaysia lah. These apps are doing the very useful for everyone, every investor. Okay, so if you click on dividend, then you can see, okay, when did this company giving dividend. Okay, capital change shows, and then here if you click on warrants, this is what I told you just now. This is quite a risky instrument. All right, so let's say, okay, you also can try to let's say Genting. Okay, you can also like, you can if you are new investor, you can just click, okay, and then you try to understand anything. Then if you don't understand, you can actually ask me or ask my member. Okay, so let's say that there are multiple there are a lot of feature in this app. Okay, this one is Sim Tabi. Okay, Sim Tabi. You also can put this Sim Tabi to your watch list by clicking the star button. Okay, star button. Then you can put in your watch list. Then in future, you can simply go to home. Okay, you can go to the watch list and then you can click. Yeah, you can click different watch list, and then you can see different stock over here. Okay, so go back to here. You can actually set, let's say if you want to set the alert for the Sim Tabi, right? Let's say the current price is 2.19. Okay, you can click on this and then you put an alert. Okay, put an alert and click this button. Okay, it's saying that I have been reached my maximum. Okay, never mind. You can go to the menu, click on stock alerts. Okay, let's say I remove. Okay, I remove one and then I go back to Sim. Okay, so you can create an alert. All right, there's some issue over here, but it's okay. So let me show you the alert things, right? These are the example that I created last time. Okay, let's say for this example, Marsing. Okay, Marsing, right? So if the lower, you can set, okay, this is a Marsing current price based on the data feed. Okay, you can, let's say you put 0.7. Okay, means that if you save this alert, right, when the price hit 0.7, it will alert you. Okay, the software will alert you. Okay, so same goes to the reverse, the upper bound. Let's say if you update it to 0.78, right? So after the price has been hit 0.78, you can actually notify by these apps. Okay, there are multiple features over here. You also can view the Asian market or US market over here. Okay, over here. So top volume is the stocks that's quite active in today's market. Top gainer is a stock that rise in how to say, rise a lot. Okay, it rise a lot, so it will show at here. Okay, top gainers percentage, and then you can see. Okay, all of these are you can see all CKWA is actually is a company warrant. Okay, you have to maybe you need some time to understand it. Okay, top loser. Okay, these are the information you need to know lah. So on here you can view overall the news. You can view all the news here. Okay, if you click on the news here. So let's say menu, right? You also can calculate the your charges over here. Okay, let's say you buy one lot. Okay, you sell on 2 ringgit. For example. So these are the charges you can put in. Okay, you can if you're using M plus, right, your charges should be 0.08 minimum 8 ringgit. Let's say you are using 50,000 and above, you can change this brokerage rate to 0.05. all right, so you can simply calculate how much you need to in let's say you total buy and total sell, how much is the cost that you are paying. Okay, you can click on details and then you can study everything here. All right, so this is the apps you must have, okay, in your apps. Okay, so I think if you don't understand anything, you may ask me, or you can ask my members. Okay, ask my team. Okay, so this is the video. All right, thank you.